Go. Uh-huh. Yeah. No. You have to keep your body straight. Your body was all curled up in a ball. No. Straight like a dive. Go out as far as you can. Better. Nice one. Faye, you try to dive. And then no more recording. Come on, try to dive. God bless you. Belly flop dive. Belly flop dive.